everyone, my name is Aarav Bableshwar. I am from grade 1D section. My story is titled My Nature Adventure. This year during Christmas vacation, I went camping with my father to a remote farm. We went canoeing to a lake. In the lake, we danced around the campfire at night. We stargazed late into the night. I could see moon. I could see the moon. I could see some planets. I could see billions of stars in the night sky. I began to wonder why I can't see so many stars in Bangalore, my city. I asked my father why I can't see so many stars in Bangalore. I asked him. He told me that cities are filled with light pollution. From light pollution. From street lights, buildings and vehicles. The city air is also polluted from factories and vehicles. Just when I was feeling sad about this, I spotted a shooting star. I quickly made a wish to save our cities with light and air pollution. From light and air pollution, unnecessary use of to save our cities from air and light pollution, I decided to reduce unnecessary use of our car, switch off the lights when I don't need them. I hope I can see more stars in Bangalore next year. Moral of my story is that we must reduce pollution. We must reduce air and light pollution to save our cities. For natures and wonders. And save our planet Earth. Thank you.